dito sa Thailand and birthday na ni Daddy Joey, and we're going to Sea Life Bangkok and cruise. So kung ano pa, pag may time ka. Then yun, prepare ng hot dogs. Okay, go outside. Are you going to school?
No, we're going to Jurassic Park.
Your teeth is like show like a shark teeth.
Shark teeth?
Yeah. Wow. What happened on your mouth? Hi guys, so we're going down na to Sea Life Bangkok. Okay, so yan yung sa Sea Life Bangkok. Papunta na kami sa Sea Life Bangkok and papasok kami ng mall. So, diretso daw tapos bababa. Going down. Just stay there, Yanni boy.
Johnny, stop! Why?
Bonbon. Mad. I'm not mad. Oh, there's a potato corner.
Where's the fish? Everything.
Takis.
There's a fish.
Yeah, there's a fish here. That's why we're looking for the fish. So, ayun love. So, dito na kami sa food court nila. And we're going to take order. So, hinahanap ko yung Uncle Boss. Kasi dito daw yun yung Uncle Boss. So, ayun love. Bumili kami this one, right? This one is, bibili ka para pambayad mo. Since hindi sila pwede ng cash. So, eto pala dapat. Bibili ka and then pwede na ito pambayad. Ayan. So, papunta na ulit kami doon. Let's go find loves. Maghahanap naman kami ngayon ng juice. Drink bar. Hinahanap ko yung Uncle Boss. Saan kaya yun? Ayan, meron doon. Ayan na lang kaya. Oh, may sticky rice din. So, iba-iba. So, iba-iba siya dito, loves, na kainan. And now, naghahanap kami ng Uncle Boss. Kasi sabi nila, meron daw dito yung Uncle Boss. Ngayon, nahanap ko yung Uncle Boss. Hindi ko siya makahanap. Wait lang, loves. Babalik ako. It's so cute! Hi! So cute! The bibimbap. O, meron din pala ng loves. May bibili ng juice. This one. Oh, bili tayo ng juice chandler. Nakita ko na siya. Yung Uncle Boss. That one. I saw it already. Hello. So, ayan loves. Buti na lang pwede cash. Naku, hindi gumagana yung QR dito ng kahit anong QR ng Visa, hindi gumagana. My God. Buti na lang pwede cash. And, ayan loves. Meron din silang potato corner.